And so one of the things that we talked about at the all-party meeting, and we talked about with the Dogger representative, and what happened in Montebello was a process known as step laddering. And that is really my biggest concern about this project. So the issue of whether or not the gas can or will escape through the cap rock and the geological age would depend in part on whether or not there are things like faults in the cap rock. I'm not a geologist, and is very, there's some geological debate about that. What in my view is a bigger risk is the risk of step laddering. So step laddering happens when gas, which seems to try to spend its existence getting out of confinement, will find some vertical structure, such as an old well, whether an old gas well or an old oil well, and travel up that well to the next layer. Then it might, if it hits another obstacle, it might move laterally, or it might find some other way to communicate up to another layer and move up to another layer, or for example, it could mix in with the aquifer. So it could travel through the aquifer to the bay and be dispersed into the San Francisco Bay, or it might actually move up to another vertical structure, such as two of the well sites that were in Danny Nunn Park, and then from there can possibly move up. This is a process called step laddering. Now, in Montebello, part of the reason the step laddering happened was because the wells were so old in terms of the oil well. There were numerous oil wells. They were done at a different time, a different standard. Nonetheless, I am very concerned about the possibility of step laddering, particularly since two of these old wells are in Danny Nunn Park, which is right in the heart of the community that is affected. And I would also note that Danny Nunn Park has an active water pumping station for the alluvial water, which is near the surface.